In this video we will be learning about data frame modification. So let's start with applying some filter. So for that we will be using data frame where function. So for that we are going to import pandas as pd, and then I am going to make a student dictionary, student underscore dict equals, I am going to add the values inside it, let's say name, and that inside name I am going to put Saubari Kandu and let's say Vritasur. Okay, these are the three names. Another will be age. Let me add the age here. Age will be, let's say, 22, 24 and 19. So these are the three age. And last one will be marks. So let me add the marks. (76), 85 and then 91.7. So these are the values. Now let me create a data frame. Student underscore df equals pd.DataFrame and then student underscore dict. Okay, now we'll apply the filter. So the filter will be, let's say, marks student underscore df, and we'll put the marks as the filter, and then we'll put above 80. So below that will not be considered, and it will be written the value 0. So student underscore df and then marks, and we'll use the where function, where filter and then other equals 0. Okay, and then in place is equals to, now we'll print the value, print student underscore df. So you can see the value below 80 is been showing as 0. So now let's apply filter in the columns. So for that we are going to simply write student underscore df equals student underscore df dot filter, and then like equals n, and then the axis will be columns. Okay, and now we'll print the student underscore df. So you can see it is showing the names column because we have applied the filter. So now let's rename a column. So for that we have to copy this because already the data has been changed here. So we have to copy and use a new one. So I'm pasting it here. Now I'm going to rename student underscore df equals student underscore df dot rename, and then column equals column equals, we'll put marks as percentage. Marks is will be changed to percentage. Okay, so it will be changed to percentage. We'll print the student underscore df. So you can see the marks column is now changed to percentage. So now let's join. So for that, let's say join a data frame. Okay, so for that we'll paste the same thing, and we will, let's say, remove the marks column from here, and we'll make a new one to join. So I'll completely remove that one, and now I'm going to make a marks underscore dict So this will be joined equals, so the new marks will be put here, marks equals, colon will be given here, and then I'll put the new marks as 77, 92 and 85. Okay, so these are the new marks. Now let's change this to a data frame. Marks underscore df is equal to pd dot data frame, and then we'll put the marks underscore dict inside it, and let's print it to see if everything is alright. Marks underscore dict, so everything is fine, the new marks dict has been created. So let's join it. So joined underscore df, this will be a joined data frame. Student underscore df dot join, and then we'll join the marks underscore df. Let's print the join df, joined underscore df. So you can see the new mark has been joined to the data frame. So now let's group by a column. So we'll add a new column. So let's group by. Okay, so we'll paste the about data, and we'll change the, let's say we'll change the age by class. Let's say class will be C, and then A, and then let's say B. So these are the classes. So let me change this to class. Now I'll just group by class. So student underscore df equals student underscore df dot group by. Okay, it will group by the class. Okay, so it will group it dot name, and I print it, print student underscore df. So you can see it has grouped it by A, B and C. So now let's iterate through the data inside the data frame. So iteration, let's say data frame iteration. Okay. So we'll simply make a for statement for, and then we'll put the value for index comma row in student underscore df dot iter row, and then we'll simply print the index and the row. So let's run it. So I just missed the X over here. So you can see it is showing first as this, second as this, and third as this by iterating through the rows. If I paste this, it will change the value as different. So let me copy the above value to make it a little easy to differentiate between the iterative values. So you can see here it is showing the Saubari age and marks, Kandu's age and mark, and then finally Vritasur's age and mark. So let's do some sorting. So let's say sort. Okay, so we'll paste the above data, and here we will be sorting through the marks. So we'll let's say student underscore df equals student underscore df, and then we'll sort the values as by marks. Okay, so we'll put the marks inside it. So when I print it, it will be sorted by the marks, student underscore df. Okay, so you can see it has been changed to the sorted values. So it was already sorted, so we can change the values and see. So let's say I am changing the value to 80, let's say 86, and here I am going to make 77 point this. So let me change it. So you can see here it has been sorted by the values. So now we'll see the data frame conversion. So we'll change the data frame to dictionary. So if we have a value in the CSV file, so we can change the CSV file to again data frame value to CSV values. So here we will be changing the data frame to dictionary. So we already have the data frame over here, so we'll just convert into the dictionary. So I'm going to make a variable dict is equal to student underscore df dot toDict function. So this will be converting it to dictionary. So print the dict value dict. So it is saying an error because I have missed the underscore over here. So when I run it, it has been converted to a dictionary.